my name is Jana Runke and I work in the marketing and order management at Technoform. We are Technoform, currently 1,500 employees and growing. Dedicated innovators that work for our customers worldwide. 45 sites in over 40 countries ensure continuous supply wherever you are. Our unique high-precision extrusion process allows us to form the most complex plastics. We improve the thermal performance of the edge bond with our warm edge spacers between the glass panes and thus guarantee gas tightness at a peak level. We are a trusted partner and problem solver for various industries today, providing holistic know-how and technical expertise from construction and insulating glass to automotive and aviation, from oil and gas to wastewater treatment and seawater desalination. Our promise is to consistently high quality to the fastest delivery services from the initial idea to the first sample, from the pilot to the serial production. Today, we would like to talk about some topics that offer our customers an integrated solution and simplify their processes. It is important to us that our customers would benefit from our cooperation and would be happy to work with us. Starting with the edge bond design and durability and sustainability, let us talk about our precision and two new spacers, followed by our tailor-made frames and calculation systems. Not to forget, we would give you a quick overview of our services and testings. You may always ask questions via our chat, although we will also have a time slot for questions and answers at the end of our presentation.
Hello, my name is Arthur. I am part of the edge bond design team at Technoform. As you can derive from the name, edge bond design, Technoform has dedicated forces to achieve the company's strategic goal. We want to take over responsibility for the whole edge bond and design it accordingly to the application. We listen to our customers' voices, we understand their needs, we create knowledge and form cooperations if needed to finally develop new solutions which meet their expectations. But taking over responsibility for the whole edge bond means even more to us. We want to readjust the focus of the whole fenestration value chain to offer even more sustainable solutions to generate truly added value for the end customers and our whole environment. The edge bond is a complex system of individual components that must be optimally matched to each other. Spacer and sealants have to fit perfectly in order to have the best adhesion to prevent air bubbles to appear in the space in between. Another example why the right material combination is so important is the prevention of migration of additives into the sealants. These two simple examples show evidence on how important the interaction of different components are. We see the ability to perfectly harmonize the edge bond depending on its application as Technoform's unique selling point. Our 707 fifth tower project in Canada, which was successfully implemented by Technoform, together with 8 partners, shows how this approach works. Besides architects, project consultants, site managers, various manufacturers and their representatives, designers and of course Technoform were involved right from the start of the project. The close integrated collaboration resulted in the successful realization of a triple glazed, curved, glass curtain wall facade reaching LEED Gold certification by the Canadian Green Building Council. The usage of our high flexible hybrid spacer system has led to an easy manufacturing of very complex convex and concave formed facades. No additional stress was induced on the edge bond, which led to a durable and sustainable system. In today's buildings, warm edge is no longer a nice-to-have, but became mandatory to fulfill the increasingly higher requirements in terms of durability and sustainability of a whole insulating glass unit. In practice, however, the quality and durability of the edge bond falls far behind its possibilities. That is why we are not only offering standard solutions, but increasingly focus on application-specific solutions for our customers. In order to meet the increasing quality expectations, we at Technoform set a focus on harmonizing these 5 quality aspects shown on the slide. We want to achieve high processability of the whole value chain by understanding and supporting the potentials of automation. With our solutions, more sunlight enters the room by using smaller window frames, increasing the well-being and health of the end customer. This again leads to a lighter weight of the windows, which makes installation and maintenance easier. The optic and UV stability of the spacer systems have big impacts on the durability of a whole insulating glass unit and finally on the whole facade. Blinds are getting smaller so that the visual appearance of the inner view of the IGU is getting even more important. That is why we not only comply with the very strict SECA certifications, but additionally test our systems in our own laboratory where we can simulate even harder conditions. As a partner of the Bundesverband Flachglas and Gütegemeinschaft Mehrscheibenisolierglas, we set the standards of tomorrow and bring the quality of the IGU to a next level. We at Technoform believe that there is no one-fits-all solution. Instead, there must be a flexible adaptation of the system to the application-specific requirements. Different climate zones lead to different requirements on the insulating glass unit. We have the expertise to design the edge bond no matter if it's going to be installed in polar regions like Greenland, with very cold winters, or Saudi Arabia with extremely hot summers. High temperature differences can lead to big movements of the glass panes. Movements lead to stress on the edge bond. If the stress is permanently very high, especially the sealant and spacer system is not able to withstand. It then either fails the sealing function of the IGU, resulting in gas leakage and moisture absorption, or even worse, in glass breakage. Again, the perfect symbiosis of all components is essential to ensure optimal product performance. Technoform can not only support you with products and solutions, but also with expertise and know-how of over more than 50 years of experience. We can provide you, for example, with thermal and mechanical FEM simulations during the planning phase of your project. Depending on your project parameters like location, orientation to the sun, type of facade, just to name a few, we can choose the right edge bond system. Because of our decentralized global structures and personal relation to our customers, you will easily find a partner nearby who will love to support you with your project. As manufacturers of thermally optimized spacers for insulating glass, we see it as our task and responsibility to help planners, window constructors and manufacturers by sharing our expertise and experience and promoting interdisciplinary collaboration. We give direction to more durable, thermally optimized edge bond solutions.
Hello, my name is Maximilian Konrad and I'm a product manager at Technoform. The spacer Precision is a glass fiber reinforced plastic spacer with a metallized multilayer barrier film, which in combination enables lowest psi values. The equivalent thermal conductivity was determined to be 0.14 Watt per meter Kelvin. The impetus for the development was given by the trend towards zero energy houses and the constantly increasing requirements for thermal insulation. The spacer Precision is therefore intended for glazing with the highest demands on thermal performance. It can be processed by the means of warm bending, welding and cut and corner. Technoform's unique production process enables us to keep tolerances within the range of ±500s. In comparison to other market participants, this is half what they are able to produce. Customers benefit from a high quality of the glass edge bond thanks to minimization of the tolerances of the glazing thickness, constant lambda equivalent values and reliable calculations due to minimum tolerances in the wall thicknesses, and perfectly fitting connecting elements for a stable frame connection. The spacer Precision is benchmark in mechanical values. Our experience in the IGU process shows that the spacer Precision guarantees the highest level of process stability compared to competitive products available on the market. As you can see in this force strain diagram, our test results confirm this. The dashed lines indicate the force in Newton at which a permanent damage occurs to the product. The high fracture strength prevents a cracking of the plastic body during connector insertion and during proper process handling. The multi-layer barrier foil has a significant impact on the durability of the edge bond and the lambda equivalent of the spacer. The composition and processing of the multi-layer foil are KPIs for the barrier function against moisture and gas and to meet the requirements of standards like DIN EN 1279 Part 2 and 3. By using Precision, you can benefit from a complete documentation of the processing parameters and the guarantee of the barrier function across the supply chain from the film manufacturer to the delivery of the finished goods to your factory, as well as a consistent high quality and long lifetime of the IGU exceeding the minimum requirements. Due to homogeneous pressure and temperature distribution, we are able to align the glass fibers in the profile. This results in a smooth surface in comparison to commercially available extrusion. Compared to conventional extrusion tooling, Technoform's tooling technology avoids an optical weld line and thus prevents negative influences on the aesthetics and mechanical properties. The smooth and shiny surface of the precision ensures a high-quality appearance of the insulating glass and meets the highest demands on aesthetics. The high-quality surface enables good adhesion of conventional ink and offers very good readability of the printed markings for complete traceability of your products. The spacer precision also contributes to the work safety of your employees. The well-embedded glass fibers prevent skin irritation when employees come into contact with the profile with their bare skin. In addition, the spacer precision ensures safe handling in the serial production thanks to its high break resistance and prevents accidents at work. The spacer precision is fulfilling the requirements of DIN N1279 Part 2, 3, 4 and 6 and is a RAL monitored product. Furthermore, it's a SICAL certified product and classified passive house component rated with energy efficiency class PHA. The spacer precision is available in 5 sizes and 6 colors. Further widths will be introduced into the market in 2021. Matching corner keys with and without butyl sealing as well as straight connectors are available.
Hello, I am Grégoire Jourdain and a product manager at Technoform. In today's economic scenario, there are markets that are facing different challenges, such as an increasing internationalization and fiercer competition. In this context, edge-mount quality needs to stand out. Technoform already guarantees great aesthetics and optimized handling, as well as excellent reliability for insulating glass units. So how to face today's new challenges concerning international competition? To answer this question, we focused on one of our main customer needs, improving productivity and workability during the production process. But how do we reach this goal? Let's focus on 2 main elements: the productivity, which depends on the rigidity of the spacers, and the workability, which depends on the stability of the spacers. To increase the rigidity of our spacer, we had to make them even more resistant. To increase the stability, we had to decrease their elastic behaviors. Our studies focus on a patented technology that belongs to Technoform, the reinforcement wire. By optimizing these components, we are able to combine both mechanical properties, rigidity and stability. We succeeded to demonstrate that using wires with a larger diameter and a specific grade of steel could improve up to 20% the rigidity and the stability of the spacer. As a result of this analysis, we developed a spacer with this kind of wire. In June 2020, our new solution obtained the CE marking and the SICAL warranty. The following months, we have worked to quantify the impact of the introduction of this spacer on the production process of insulating glazing. We know that the butyllization and deposition of the frame are critical for our customers. Efficiency and quality of those tapes depend on the straightness of the frame size, the quality of its angle, and its resistance to twisting effects. Increasing rigidity has brought accuracy in the bending angle. It has also halved the deformation induced by the suspension of the frames. Those improvements allow to reach a great homogeneity of the butyl bead. Our new solution proved to be highly compatible with automatic manufacturing lines. Frames are less deformed by the stress occurring during the production steps. There is hence less interruption of the manufacturing lines. To conclude, this Technoform solution stands out by greater quality and reliability and by increasing the production capacity of insulating glazing.
Hello everyone. My name is Bogdan Lazar. I'm a product manager at Technoform Italy. As a family company, we firmly believe that the best ideas are always born together. We developed leading solutions collaboratively by understanding customer and market needs. A fast-paced industry landscape demands new ideas, solutions every day. So markets emerge, businesses transform, processes change. Energy saving becomes a global priority, with new regulations being progressively introduced worldwide. So at this point, I would like to introduce a new spacer solution for insulating glass. It is a spacer which is especially directed to emerging markets. These markets constantly demand the improvement of the energy efficiency of the system in line with the needs of continuous building modernization and new design requirements of architects. However, these markets are still mainly using traditional aluminum spacers. So in lieu of this, we want to support the transitions from aluminum spacers with outdated thermal values to thermally optimized edge-bond solutions with warm edge spacers. This new Technoform solution has been studied starting from the analysis of specific market requirements and according to the customer's production facilities, thermally improved, durable, and flexible in shapes. It allows our customers to take a step further to the next level of high-use performance, reaching new levels of energy efficiency and becoming more and more competitive in their markets. So to be precise, we choose a different inox steel grade able to assure the barrier and at the same time gaining ductability for shapes, ensuring a great thermal performance guaranteed by Technoform hybrid warm edge spacers. The advantages of these solutions are highest accuracy for smaller glass pane sizes, a seamless integration in existing processes and cutting systems. Once cut and inserted between the panes, the spacer will ensure a strong improvement in end-use energy, efficiency, and durability. Moreover, it is flexible enough to be used in curved insulating glass. Technoform quality is certified DIN EN 1279-234 BF datasheet Passive House. To sum up, this Technoform solution allows our customers to reach a new level in energy efficiency and to get more competitive in their markets.
My name is Fabiola Renzi. I'm product manager for the Italian market. A fast-paced industry landscape demands new ideas and solutions every day. Technoform, as your reliable partner, is aware of it. We are always oriented to develop new solutions for our customers. In today's market, there are new challenges to face due to a strong competition and a strict timing in project realization. We identified that production speed and stock management optimizations are getting more and more important. This is the reason why we have developed the perfect solution to make our customers more competitive on their markets. Thanks to our long-term experience, we are able to design and manufacture pre-cut kits and pre-assembled frames of spacers and mounting bars, according to any kind of project, even the most complex ones. Our tailor-made frames have the following advantages. They increase the efficiency and productivity of our customers' production process. Technoform will calculate dimensions of the frames and will provide pre-assembled frames or pre-cut kits in a very short time. Technoform guarantees the highest quality and accuracy that they have always distinguished us in the realization of any kind of projects and a complete support in the production process. Another advantage is the optimization of the stock management. This solution will allow our customers to reduce the risk of slow-moving items in the warehouse and enable a better management of the storage area. The result will be a better warehouse management and a related cost reduction. Our frames are composed by Technoform spacers and mountings. The mounting is placed inside the insulating glass, providing a complete thermally optimized system. In this way, the solution guarantees a high thermal performance and an excellent quality. We truly believe that a strong partnership with our customers makes the difference. Here we are for you.
My name is Mauro Lardini, Development Manager for Italian market. Thanks to our expertise, we at Technoform created the Edge Bond Calculator, a complete technical support aimed to assist our partners and customers, including engineers during the tendering phase, till IGU processor during the construction phase, as we noticed that customers need to evaluate the performance of insulating glass before starting a project. Following the process to design a building, in the tool there are 4 areas to analysis: thermal, mechanical, acoustic and dynamic, which are friendly to use. The tool will automatically create a customized technical datasheet in each area. Let's start from the thermal tool that includes 3 different calculations: the UG for double and triple glass unit and the UW for the complete window system. In this section, the calculator provides the thermal value with the different structure, system and slope. The mechanical section provides suggestion in terms of minimal requirement of thickness, according to the stress, the dimension of IGU and type of the building. The report shows stress and deformations. This section includes calculation relevant to linear lateral load, wind and snow pressure. In the acoustic area, just selecting the building type, school, hospital, residential, the software will provide 10 possible configurations based on estimated value both for double and triple glazing unit. Finally, the dynamic section, now in progress, will issue a thermomechanical stress and airflow analysis to suggest the best solution for any project, considering the building site and its exposition, to analyze the solar radiation and the energy effects on IGU, and all system components as sealant, shearing elements, and glass properties. The dynamic report will support designers to understand any possible risk of breakage for energy absorption. In conclusion, Technofor with the Edge Bond Calculator will be the best partner during all steps of any project.
The additional benefit of our customers is our priority. To achieve this goal, we are implementing our online store. Each customer will have an overview of its tailored data with price lists, payment, and delivery conditions. In addition to that, there will be an overview of all orders, including the status and the access to our whole product catalog. Our customers will have the possibility to upload their orders into our online store. They can place orders 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are currently introducing Kanban. It is a method of production process control developed by Toyota Production System. The procedure is based exclusively on the actual usage of the materials at place of supply and consumption. It enables the reduction of local inventories of pre-products in and near production. The aim of the Kanban method is to control the value-added chain at each manufacturing or production stage of a multi-stage integration chain at optimal costs. Technoform includes the system into the ordering and delivery processes. The customer benefits from the reduction of capital lockup costs by lowering inventory levels. Furthermore, the material is available at any time. That saves the customers from having to plan their orders in advance. The system frequently loads a digital inventory control. There will be a reduction of workload throughout the digital overview and statistics given. The delivery will be free and there will be no volume contract requirements. Thank you for your attention. Now we'd be glad to answer your questions.